Henry Chiropractic now offers HBOT in Pensacola. Dr. Craig Henry, the center's leading chiropractor, explains that oxygen therapy can be an excellent supplement to chiropractic care. Breathing 100% oxygen at pressures above the typical atmospheric levels triggers the body's natural healing processes. When used in conjunction with chiropractic care, it can reduce inflammation and enhance immune function. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy is medically studied to induce high oxygen tensions in tissue, which may prevent or limit any anaerobic bacterial growth. Dr. Henry explains that oxygen therapy can serve as a wellness enhancer for clients suffering from chronic pain. As one of the leading chiropractors in Pensacola, Henry Chiropractic is committed to looking for the underlying causes of disease, rather than simply treating its symptoms. Click the link in the description to find out more.